Right. So according to Spearman, we have to get those 6 numbers, okay, according to this formula. Okay, we have to get those 6 numbers, okay, and we have just gotten them. All right. Now, if you want, you can substitute into the formula now, but you'll be substituting 6 giant numbers, 6-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers. You'll be substituting 6 long hallelujah numbers into this formula. So now I devise another technique. Why not reduce those 6 numbers into 3 numbers? Because if you notice, according to the formula, it says we have to subtract. We have 3 subtractions to do. In the numerator, there's a subtraction, 1 minus 2. Then you have 3 minus 4 and 4 minus 6. So let's call this A, B, and C. So let's go over that again. In the formula, it says the numerator, 1 minus 6. There it is, 1 minus 6. In the denominator, we have in a bracket, in a square bracket, 3 minus 4. And there's a times between there, 5 minus 6. And then you have to square root. So imagine you put in 6 long hallelujah numbers with a square root sign. Your page might not even have space, you know, for all of this, and that might confuse you. So let us simplify these 6 numbers into 3 numbers, and let's call them A, B, and C. Okay. So the formula is reduced to the R is equal to A over the square root of BC. So you can start working out what is your A. You see, I was thinking of the physical classroom. And in the physical classroom, you don't have these privileges, you know, ABC. So do your ABC while I do my ABC. Okay. So look, it has been facilitated already. Let's highlight this, the ABCs. So in the assignment, you will see A. Let's just minimize this a little bit. Or let's just bring it up, right. So A is equal to 1 minus 2, 0, 8, 1, 1, 0, because I want to use the formula. 10850 88570 minus 89010. That's my A. Forget to copy the 1. B, and this is going to give me a number. Let's call it A. B is equal to 3 minus 4, the third number, minus the 4th number. So we need the denominator now. Equal. And C is equal to 10 again. The 4 in B is missing. The 4 in B is missing. Thank you very much. The 4 in B is missing. And C now is equal to the 5th number subtract the 6th number. Okay. So as you can see, this is not difficult. It's just cumbersome. It's just a cumbersome number, but you can use Excel to deal with it. Okay. Now, the first number minus the second number. In my case, I'm getting come on, right. We need the equal sign. 9560. So you write what you get. The second number, that's B. Third minus the fourth, my B is 16,442. And C now is the fifth number minus the sixth number. I'm getting 24,086. Okay, so now we are basically going to substitute three numbers now into the formula to find what is R. And here the table has been set already by using a different program. So what I can do, I can just delete this. Okay. Put this back. Enter. I want to keep this. All right. So as you can see, according to the explanation in weekly 7, 6 numbers reduced to 3 numbers, A, B, and C. So we are going to substitute 3 numbers into the formula to calculate R. We're going into math equations. R is equal to relationship. Remember, we are measuring the relationship between hours of study and score. Measuring means we need to get a number. Anytime you measure something, you get a number. You measure your temperature, you get a number. You measure your height, you get a number. You measure your weight, you get a number. We are measuring the relationship, so we're going to get a number. Square root, don't forget there is a square root sign in the Pearson's product moment, and B times C. B now is 16,432 under the square root sign in the denominator. Right. Under the square root sign in the denominator times C under the square root sign in the denominator. Okay. We can put this fraction back. Carry this 19,560 here. Carry the square root sign. Work out what is 16,432 times 24086. Okay. Work out this product that's under the square root sign. Yes. All right. We're going to get a very elongated number. Be very careful when you're copying it down. That's a good exercise to focus. Square root this number. Then when you must get a decimal, you know. Or you can get -101, but nothing above. This formula is programmed that way. Okay. It's impossible. You know, Mr. Pearson sat down countless candlelight hours burning the midnight oil to come up with his formula, and he knows for sure that his formula will never give us a number greater than 1. Okay, so you know what denominator we have 629. After we square root, after we multiply and then square root after, 2 decimal places suffice. 1, 4. And now we can divide. Let's see what we get. 0.31. 0.31. Okay. 0.31. Now that's what I'm getting. I'm just going back up there. Delete this table. That's the table we use when we were offline. Physical classroom. Come. Right click. Delete tables. Delete column or delete table itself. Yes. Enter. We have a brand new table. Here it is. Excel. Copy this as a working. So I will accept this as your working if that's how you did it. Okay. Promoting to do it that way. But if you don't do it that way, that's fine. You know, if you rather feel more comfortable drawing and so forth, then I will not penalize. Okay. For more control over the table, you can paste it in a text box. You know, I normally do that because sometimes when you paste the table, it's a little troublesome and it wants to go all over the place. So you just paste it in a text box so you can maneuver it at will, you see, with anywhere you want to put it. And if you don't want the lines to show, you can just right click, format shape, and you go to, you can put no fill and no line. Okay. So according to Pearson's, we're getting 0.31 for our correlation between hours of study and score. And this will be a weak positive according to the scale. Now, I'm not saying that